In this video, I will show you how to fix "we can't find your camera" error in Windows 11. So if you are trying to open up the camera app on your computer and you are seeing this error, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to fix it. First, go to the search bar and type settings. Just open it by clicking on it. From the left menu, click on privacy and security. Scroll all the way down till you find camera. Click on it and make sure the camera access here is turned on, and make sure let apps access your camera is also turned on, and camera is turned on over here too, and also make sure the app that you want camera to be used is also turned on over here like this. And at the last, make sure let desktop apps access your camera is also turned on over here. After that, you can close this window and check if that solves your issue. If it is still not working, then open start menu again and search for camera. This time, right click on it and click on app settings, and underneath app permissions, make sure every option is turned on. If possible, then scroll a bit down till you find this reset and click on repair button here. Once the repair is done, we are going to click on reset this time. Click on reset. Once done, you can close this window and check if that solves your issue. If not, then open up the start menu once again, and this time search for device manager. Open it and you have to find this camera option over here. If you do not see it over here, just go to view and click on show hidden devices and just expand the camera option, and here you will see the webcam associated with it. If you do not find it here, go to action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Now once you found your camera, right click on it and click on update driver, and then press search automatically for drivers, and here you will see your video device. After that, you can close this window out. Right click on your webcam device and click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the video device you have and click on next, and you can close this little window once again. Now right click on the webcam and click on disable device. Click on yes and right click on it once again and click on enable device. Now all you need to do is close out this window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, you can go and open up the camera, and that should fix your issue now. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.